Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide I want to show you. Comes in vivid black. Had an engine guard added up front here. Comes with a heavy duty oil cooler. All the front end looks real nice and clean. Got an excellent tire on the front, lots of tread left. Front fender looks good. It's got looks like it's got just some very minor little rock pecks in there. And up here on the fairing, I don't really see anything up here yet. Fairing looks real nice. It's got the through the fairing vent system here on the 2015. I started in 2014. Just flip this little button down right here and it opens and closes. It's got full instrumentation, AM, FM, with the place here to put your MP3 player or your music device. It's got electronic cruise control. This bike's only got 3,036 miles. We ran it through our shop and checked it out to make sure everything was good for you. It's got the factory exhaust, so it runs pretty quiet. That shows your channel, menu, all kinds of goodies. Sales guys can tell you all about that. This bike's also got the single-handed lid latch here. It makes it real easy to get in and out of your bags. Even if you're sitting at a stoplight, you can just reach right back there and flip that. Notice there's looks like just a little bit of some little marks right along the inside of this lid here. It's got the docking hardware for a passenger backrest, luggage rack. Excellent tire on the rear. I noticed another little scuff up here on this bag, right here on the front of the bag. Then there's a little spot right here. If you'd like to know more about it, you can call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.